Hi folks, this is the Spectra Precision Laser Level, and we're going to use this today to level out a wooden floor. So we're going to show you how that works. So this thing, it works a bit like a lighthouse in that it has a rotating laser that rotates around and fires in 360. And the idea being that it self-levels itself, and then it fires out this laser then, and the laser light that it shines out will be level. So what we need to do, what we've done here is we've added some blocks to the centre of our floor. So we've brought the level of this laser level up vertically using blocks and using some CDs, and we make sure that it doesn't have any rotation in it, that it can't really roll, that it's always solid vertically. So then once we do that, what we want to do is we'll just press the power button on the laser level. It'll start self-leveling and doing its thing, and then give it maybe 10-15 seconds and it'll start beaming a laser out onto the walls. So as you can see, what we want to do, we want to get a laser light that matches the level of the floor in the hall. And then once we do that, we know that we're at the right height to join the rest of the house. So as you can see, the laser's been projected across the whole wall here now. So all we do is we take a piece of chalk, we mark the wall in several positions. So I can use a marker or whatever, you can use whatever you want for this. And we can mark the whole wall, and then that'll give us a reference then for where we put our timber for doing the flooring. So that's it guys, quite a high end laser level, but saves us a lot of time when doing this job, makes it a lot easier. The way that the laser is projecting here to the naked eye is actually continuous, so it looks like a continuous line, but when you see it on camera here, it looks like it's slightly more intermittent due to the frame rate of the camera.